Hi friends! Today we're going to be reading a book about construction called Tough Trucks, the Bulldozer. Pow! Bulldozers are really strong. They push everything out of the way. Watch out! This bulldozer is helping build a house. Dozers are the superheroes of construction vehicles. They go where other trucks fear to tread. See it pushing down the dirt? See the big blade up front? This scoops up dirt and rocks and flattens the ground like a pancake. Bulldozers have something called a ripper, too. It looks like a giant claw. Be careful, it's sharp. The ripper can dig up giant rocks. Watch it tear into the ground. A bulldozer has two belt-shaped crawlers instead of tires. An army tank has crawlers too. Some crawlers have raised steel pieces on them. These are called spurs. They help break up really hard surfaces. Sometimes bulldozers have buckets instead of blades. These are called dozer shovels. I bet that could fit a lot of dirt in it. The dozer shovel loads soil onto a truck. Watch that bucket dozer dump the dirt. That's a lot of dirt. Bulldozers can roll across rough, tough surfaces. To work the crawlers, you use hand levers or foot pedals. I see the key, just like in the car. When the bulldozer needs to make a sharp turn, one crawler moves forward while the other moves backward. Some bulldozers can lift heavy mud underwater by remote control. Wow, that bulldozer's in the ocean. There are different kinds of dozers too. Watch a swamp bulldozer at work. This dozer's crawlers are really wide and long. You see the alligator and the swamp. A trimming dozer works inside containers on freighter ships. Its blade scoops up steel, coal, sugar, or flour. So get out of the way when you see a bulldozer coming, unless you're in the driver's seat. The end.